There is mainly two types of documents that you will work with, that is RGB and CMYK. Well, these are the color modes of your documents. RGB is used for digital designs. That means if you are designing for computer, tablets, mobile or any kind of screens, you need to work with RGB profile. RGB stands for red, green and blue as the primary colors of our digital screens. Computer mixes all these colors and produce different shades. If you are designing a website or any kind of web related graphics or an icon for an app, maybe you are designing a wallpaper for your desktop, go for RGB color mode. But if your design have chances to be printed, make sure you have selected CMYK profile. CMYK is the color mode for printers. Computers don't understand CMYK well. Like if you are designing a logo or a business card or any kind of print designs, choose CMYK profile. CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow and key for black. These are the primary colors for printers and it mixes these colors to produce many shades. Now obviously the shades produced by CMYK and RGB cannot be same, but they can produce similar and nearest shades sometimes, and it is possible they are unable to produce any nearest shades. So if you design a logo in red with RGB profile, it is possible it may turn into magenta after printing. So always choose CMYK for printing purpose. Whenever you ask Photoshop for a new document, you get color mode options to choose.